Hi, my name is Alanna Giuliano. I'm from Milford, Mass. So I had seepage on one side of the house, light water came in, and then on the other side I had 4 inches of water. I researched on the internet and read a lot of reviews, and I saw a lot of people around the town and surrounding towns that had said a lot of good things. And based on that, I made my decision to go with DryZone. So I had a full perimeter solution put in place, along with the sump pump, the Dry dehumidifier, and I also purchased ice guards, which I strongly recommend. It helps to let the water continue to be pumped out in the case of frozen lines outside. So that was really helpful. But also there was a battery that was installed with the pump, and that gives me a peace of mind because I know it will run in the case of lost electricity. So Rick was phenomenal and very knowledgeable and very patient. He came out to the house and showed me a lot of, choices that I could make based on what I needed. He recommended things, showed me pros and cons of each thing. I read, there was a book that was sent ahead of time, and I read that, so I was a little knowledgeable, but then of course had a lot of questions, and he was able to answer all of those. Rick provided a diagram of my basement with what solution was recommended, and it put my mind at ease to know, this is what the solution is going to be. This is where it's going to go. It took all that guesswork out for me, and he was really patient with all my questions because I did call him several times with questions, and I enjoyed working with him. The crew was great. They worked hard. They worked fast. They got it all done. They assured me. I was very nervous when they first came out because it's very scary to have your basement upside down and under construction, but they assured me it's going to be awesome when they're done, and it is. I would definitely refer DryZone. I would tell people that how I was educated based on the issue, and that the company offered me a solution that works. I had confidence in DryZone right from the beginning, and I feel that everyone will as well. If you want the complete picture and complete solution, you will have that with DryZone.